Hi.
Hey guys. So today we have the Drop Dots Love-ums.
Yes.
Thank you to Kess for sending these to us.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now these are playful characters made with proprietary drop dot material and slow rising foam that combines to allow for maximum sensory play.
Alright, they're being open. You're taking too
I know,
long.
you can't wait, right?
You don't need scissors.
You don't?
No, look. Nice and easy.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Since they're like these things, you can just open one and let it rip it. See?
Yeah, they're easily
Satisfying.
rippable. Exactly.
Here's the first one.
Look how cute.
What are you?
Oh, I love the pineapple. Oh my gosh.
This is probably poisonous. Don't eat the front part. Back part's good though.
And that's the doggy. Oh, how cute.
Oh, sniper. So yeah, you squish them down to a smaller pineapple.
Oh, look at that. How
Oh my
cute.
god! It's like a cannibal. No.
So there's a penguin, pineapple, puppy, unicorn, narwhal, and cactus. So we have all 6 of these cuties.
I'm way cuter though.
What are you doing?
Look at the toy. It's so great. So
I love
Look at the penguin.
look, he's got even a bald spot.
Oh my god! I have a weird thing on my face.
Try squishing him down. It's hard.
The
All his
birthmark.
armor. Birthmark. Yeah. Again, stop eating me.
I'm not a
What?
Look at my hooves.
Squish him.
Ah! I'll squish it first.
Tougher.
No, not your face. I was right.
What happened here? Has some blue on the butt. The way he said that was just so. He ain't coming home.
I'm coming home.
Gonna resist.
I'm coming home. I'm gonna eat the pineapple. Nom nom.
Okay, I'm gonna open the last one.
Yes, mine's the most dangerous of the animals.
This is a cactus.
Oh. Yeah.
Really? How did you
Yeah.
know this?
They're spiky. They're more dangerous than a narwhal.
This narwhal's more dangerous.
Look at this puny little horn. There's even a tip missing.
It's so cute.
Eat. I can barely see, but you know.
Hello. Poke. I'm hungry.
What's wrong with the pineapple?
Dumb pineapple.
It's even on fruity custard.
Word. Ah, my butt.
I checked the cacti.
My eyes squish.
He has his weakness, his pot. Without the pot, he dies.
No.
Your horn is puny.
Ah,
Ooh, pineapple.
I'm doing it again. Food. The scissors got taken out. Attack.
I didn't do anything. Ooh, yummy. There's some blue in your scarf. There's some blue in your butt. Poke at the eyes. Wait,
There's one
it's
left.
exposed.
There's
Well, we did
one
it.
left. Hey guys.
Yum, yum, yum.
Attack down. Mission accomplished. Do one at a time.
Guys, I want to see a squish-off.
You're runner-up. Alright, I'll tell you to go.
3.
Squish-off. Ooh.
I don't know who won that.
That was
This
close.
one was slower, I think.
No. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, yours up
Ah.
further.
Hmm.
Get off the mountain. You
I'm
lose.
still here.
Next.
I
No.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wow, the unicorn's really slow rise. You know what? Maybe it's because that has more squishy to it.
You want to talk about squishiness? Our best is being brought in.
1, 2, 3.
I would say yours was fully at first.
No.
Because, retry. I didn't get a
All right.
good squish.
1, 2, 3. Mine was still going.
Yeah.
Dang it.
I'm gonna win now because that guy's left. 1, 2, 3.
I won.
No,
What
I
about
win.
the cactus?
I don't know how he was squished because it's like
Let's bring in our winner from last round. I
still
won
going.
that one.
No, it was still going. It was a pot.
So guys, which Love 'em is your favorite?
The cactus.
Oh, okay.
Stream it across the world. Why don't you mean?
The cactus.
And you, Michael?
Oh, the penguin or whatever it is.
It's a penguin.
The one-footed penguin you can see here.
What?
See, it's
Oh, they're
genetic.
together.
They're
It's a genetic.
together.
It's a genetic.
It's a genetic flop.
It's
Oh
genetic.
my god. Thanks again to Kess for sending these to us.
Thank you.
That's what I
And
said,
then,
guys. Bye.
I are the lead. Wait, they're taller. They're definitely the lead. Run away.
Yeah.